Simple solutions to life.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock and I'm saying a big welcome to you. In case you are new here, please, you are not in the wrong place. God led you here. Okay, you can do well by subscribing to our channel. Just click on the subscribe button and you will be glad you did so. Subscription is free. Okay, nobody is charging you anything. Just hit that subscribe button and that is all. Yes, and whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So guys, today I want to show us something. Okay, how to make your ex come back, or that your crush, that woman, that man. Yes, now, is it only women that love? Even men too do love now. So, how to make that person, that your loved one, that person you desire, stay in love with you or come back to love you more than ever before. So this is a two-way kind of spirituality I want to show us today. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, in this particular spiritual exercise, you're going to be needing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you'll be needing 5 items. Yeah, and we can also add the sixth one, 6 items. I'll be unveiling them one after the other for you. But before then, I want to show us something. This is called feminine liquid. This feminine liquid is for women. Okay, ladies who wants to keep their man. Yes, this feminine liquid, just take either a teaspoon of it, just a teaspoon. Yes, you can do this. You can take it maybe twice a week, and it will organize and reorganize your valley. Yes, are you having issues in your marriage? Just get this. Okay, then also this is She. It's been long I talked about. This is a bestseller. She is for women, also for women. This one is an arrestor. Yes, you can use this. You just add it to either your yogurt, or you can just put some powder of it inside a small plate and then add honey. Just mix it together and lick it. That is what you need to do with this. Okay, and it is wonderful. Like I said, it is 2 powers combined together. Yes, so it arrests your man, keep him with you. Then this one also, this is high BP medicine. Some people may not know how to use this. This is highly powerful. This is very, very effective. And because of the power therein, if you are misusing it, you will find that it will make you feel weak. Why? Because if you are hypertensive, if you are a hypertensive person and you're on drugs, you can take this, just half teaspoon, half, not full, not 1 teaspoon, not 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon of it, half teaspoon. You just put it in your tea, stir it and drink it once in a week. Once in a week, not every day. Okay, because if you are taking it too much, doctors will start looking for a way to increase your BP to come up, because your BP will so go down. You understand? So if you are taking this half teaspoon once in a week, it will normalize, and then you'll be normal. You will not go down with stroke. You will not go down with any associated ailment that is associated with hypertension. Yes. Even if your mother died of stroke, your father died of stroke, it will not be a portion. Yes. So And then we also have anti-bullet, Egbe, anti-bullet protection. This one, you have to take it, just one like this. You take it today, you take the second one tomorrow, and then you take the third one on the third day. That is all. Let them shoot the gun. See, even if you are watching movie and they are like this action movie now where they are shooting gun, this Egbe in your body will activate itself. Yes, at the sound of a bullet, a gun, it will activate itself. When you see it, and even if it takes you unaware, even if they shoot it from your back, you don't even know, it will activate itself. It's in your blood. This one is permanent. Yes, and this is natural. It doesn't have any spiritual effect. What do I call it? Disadvantage. This is natural. And we have a guy who was kidnapped and they were shooting the gun on him and he did not go. They have to even leave their gun and started running away. Yes, they left their gun, left their knife and started running. I didn't even know that this thing can also protect somebody against knife. Yes, they were shooting, it didn't go. And then they brought that knife, it didn't enter. They ran. So, you can place order for this and you will get it. Okay? So, anywhere you are, you can send it to you. This is attraction in the bottle. I like using this, this way. This is how you use it. Just apply it on your forehead like this. A lot of people have been giving testimony. I know of a lady who said that she's having like 10 men who are queuing up asking for her hand in marriage right now. This is somebody that was crying for a relationship last year. Just one single relationship. But right now, she's confused who to choose. I have 3 of them like that. So guys, your testimony will come to you. Okay? So I don't want to overtalk. We have so many products, okay, that you can place order for, and they are highly available and affordable. So now, how do you make your loved one to stay with you? You'll be needing white paper like this. Yes. And then you'll be needing rosemary. You'll be needing 1 cube of sugar, brown, not white. Okay, cube. Not powder, cube sugar. But if you don't have brown sugar and you can get white cube sugar, you can also use just 1, not 2, not 3. Okay, so your pen, your paper, then you also need salt, that is sea salt. Okay, you need sea salt. So now, get your bottle. Get a bottle like this. Okay, just get a bottle and you open your salt. You just put some pinch of it. This is very strong. Oh, yes, like this. You just take, like now, get your paper. What is the name of your loved one? Your paper should not be too big. You can reduce the paper. You can reduce the paper like this. Reduce the paper like this. Then remember, I told us that if you want something to have a very fast vibration spiritually, you can use you can let the edges be rough. Make the edges rough. Okay? Let the edges be rough and you are good to go. Yes, it will have a lot of vibration. It will a reception. Okay? Now, you have your paper. Then, and something strike me now. I told you last time that if you want to manifest something fast spiritually, you can use pencil. Okay? If you don't have biro, if you have pencil, you can use pencil. If you don't have pencil, that's when you can use biro. Okay? You have pencil, although this my pencil is not sharpened, so this is pencil. This is what they call pencil. Okay, because I know some people, they don't know what is pencil. Pencil, pen, pencil. Okay, and this one is called biro. Call it pen, biro. Okay, so if you don't have this one, then you can use this one. Okay, so you just use your pencil to write your name, write the person's name, write what you want, how you want the relationship to be. When you finish writing it, then fold it like this. This will make him to come back to you. This will make him to stay glued to you. Okay, I want our love to be forever. I want this love to end up well. I love you, and I want you to love me even more than as I do. Yes, now, so like this now, as it is like this. This is water. We are not going to drink it though, because this one now, see, like this, you put it inside. Okay, you put the intention inside. As you put it inside, then get your cube sugar. Get your sugar, then put it inside. Okay, now get your rosemary. Rosemary, you can manifest a lot of things with rosemary. Yes, spiritually. So I'm showing you one aspect of it now. So just take some rosemary, then drop it inside. Drop it inside. Rosemary used to stay on top of the water. Then you carry your sea salt, then take some pinch also, you put it inside. Now you have this. Very simple but very effective. Yes. Now you have this like this. This is love in a bottle. See, if you know you don't love him, don't try this thing. If you know you are not ready to stay with this person, don't do it, because the person will stay with you. So you pray over it. Say your intention. This is what I want. This is how I want this relationship. If you want it to end up in marriage, you can state it. But if you want him to love you and give you whatever you want and then take care of you, you know, maybe you are somebody that don't want to like keep 10, 5, 2, 3 men at the same time. Just want one person that will love you for real and then be there for you, you know, something like that. You can pray this way also. And once in a while, you carry it and shake it like this. You shake it like this, you pray over it. You say your intention, you know. Do you know why? I think I uploaded a video recently. I was talking about shaking, you know, like you shake something. When you shake something in the realm of the spirit, it shakes. It's like you're shaking the heart of that person. They will remember you wherever they are. They will remember you for good. Not for evil. They'll remember you for good. Yes, this thing, it works. This is very, very effective. Okay, just try it. Shake it like this. Call their name. Call the person's name. I want you to remember me with love. I want your heart to be glued to me. I want this love to be forever. I want us to be forever. You know, you keep shaking it like this. You do it. You like this particular, you can see that the sugar is melting. Yes. So now, after this today, you keep it again. You repeat it. You keep it again. You can do this for 3 days, or you can do this for 7 days. If you see that the whole composition is going bad, you turn it, and then you can redo another one. Maybe you can do it once in a month, as in you do it for like 7 days this month, then you rest. Next month again, you repeat it. This thing is very simple. You can even keep it by your bedside, keep it in your drawer, keep it in your handbag, keep it anywhere. You can get a smaller bottle that is smaller than this, but make sure that it should be something that that cube of sugar can enter. Okay, so you just shake it like this, you know, as if you are playing. Samson, I want you to remember me wherever you are. Samson, let your heart be for me. Let your spirit wake up and remember me alone. Yes, all the ladies coming to you, let there be nothing before you. But let me be the only one that your heart desire. Come back home to me, your loved one, your wife, or your girlfriend, or whatever you are for him or to him. Mention it, okay? And what you want to be to him. You can also state it like that. The way you say it, that is what you get. What you say is what you get. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, just endeavor to just subscribe to our channel. Just join us here and we'll be learning simple things together on this channel. Simple things that works. Okay, so see you again in our next video. All right, bye.